Rare opportunity in #X 2026, beautiful Treviso Bay condo, west/full TPC Treviso Bay golf membership. Being sold turnkey. Bellini floor plan provides 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept living space. Impact windows and amp doors. View in #X 2019, LL love the recent updates and amp, tasteful decor of this first floor condo. New luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, fresh interior paint and amp, updated light fixtures. Kitchen boasts new quartz countertops, white cabinets, glass tile backsplash, updated faucet, stainless steel appliances, new range, and amp, pantry. Shower tile in both baths recently resurfaced for clean crisp white look. Whole house Kinetico water filtration system. And #XD and #SA. Enjoy relaxing on backlanai west/peaceful view of lake/preserve and amp, priceless sunsets. Deeded storage room and amp, covered carport. Treviso Bay lifestyle includes 18-hole TPC championship golf course, driving range, putting green, tennis/pickleball courts, fitness center west/on-site trainer, full spa services, Bocce Lagoon-style pool, 6 satellite pools and amp, grilling stations. Multiple clubhouses offer fine and amp, casual dining, inside/outside bars and amp, snack shop. Just minutes from downtown Naples, 5th Avenue and beaches. Seller has paid special assessment in full.